Hey everyone! The GMKtec Evo-X3 represents a significant step forward in the rapidly growing Mini PC market, targeting power users who need desktop-class performance in an exceptionally compact form factor. While many Mini PCs focus primarily on office productivity or media consumption, the Evo-X3 is designed with a much more ambitious goal in mind. It aims to become a versatile workstation capable of handling artificial intelligence workloads, professional content creation, software development, and demanding multitasking scenarios, all while maintaining a footprint that occupies only a fraction of a traditional desktop PC. At the heart of the Evo-X3 is AMD's Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 processor, one of the most advanced APUs currently available. Featuring 16 Zen 5 CPU cores and 32 threads, this chip delivers an impressive level of computational power that rivals many high-end desktop systems. One of the most impressive aspects of the Evo-X3 is its memory configuration. GMKtec offers up to 128 gigs of LPDDR5X memory, an amount rarely seen in compact PCs. The system includes dual PCIe 4.0 M2 slots, supporting up to 4 terabytes of high-speed SSD storage. The standout hardware addition compared to the earlier Evo-X2 is the inclusion of an Oculink port. This feature significantly expands the system's long-term versatility by allowing users to connect an external GPU through a PCIe Gen 4x4 interface. While the integrated Radeon 8060S graphics should be more than sufficient for many tasks, professionals involved in advanced rendering, machine learning, or GPU-accelerated workflows can later upgrade the system with an external NVIDIA GeForce 40 series or RTX 50 series graphics card. Thermal management is another area where GMKtec appears to have invested considerable effort. Powerful processors often struggle within compact enclosures due to limited airflow and cooling capacity. To address this challenge, the Evo-X3 incorporates a triple heat pipe cooling system combined with dual fans designed to manage the thermal output of the 140-watt processor. The software side of the package further differentiates the Evo-X3. GMKtec bundles its Claw plus Wrangler AI ecosystem, emphasizing local AI deployment and management. Connectivity is thoroughly modern and future-ready. Wi-Fi 7 support ensures access to the latest wireless networking standards, while Bluetooth 5.4 provides improved efficiency and device compatibility. From a design perspective, GMKtec has taken a more professional and understated approach. The graphite gray chassis avoids the flashy aesthetics commonly associated with gaming-oriented hardware. Perhaps the most intriguing aspect of the Evo-X3 is how it reflects the changing role of modern PCs. Rather than simply serving as a compact desktop replacement, it is designed to function as a local AI workstation, creative platform, and expandable computing hub. Pricing remains the largest unanswered question. Given that the similarly configured Evo-X2 sells for around $2,000, expectations are that the Evo-X3 will occupy a similar premium segment. Overall, the GMKtec Evo-X3 appears poised to become one of the most powerful and flexible mini PCs of 2026. It combines cutting-edge AMD technology, exceptional memory capacity, future-proof expansion options, and AI-centric software into a sleek and compact package. If real-world performance matches the impressive specifications on paper, the Evo-X3 could establish itself as a benchmark for next-generation mini workstations and one of the most compelling compact PCs available this year. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day, and God bless you.